Have you ever wondered how to make money online? In this tech-savvy era, it's no surprise that many people are turning to the internet to supplement their income. There's a whole world of opportunities out there, from selling handmade crafts to offering your skills as a virtual assistant. But with so many options, it can be hard to know where to start. That's why today, we're going to focus on one reliable and effective method: GoTranscript. GoTranscript is a professional transcription service, and it's a fantastic way to earn money online. Whether you've got a knack for fast typing or you're just looking for a flexible way to boost your income, GoTranscript offers a great platform to do so. So, buckle up and get ready for a deep dive into the world of online earning through GoTranscript. Today we're going to explore how you can earn money from GoTranscript. First things first, what exactly is GoTranscript? GoTranscript is an online platform that bridges the gap between technology and the human touch. It's a digital universe where language meets technology. It stands as a reputable online transcription and translation company that's been around for over a decade. A company that's made a name for itself in the global market by providing high-quality transcription and translation services. But GoTranscript isn't just a service provider, it's a community. A community where talented freelancers from all over the globe can come together, share their skills, and earn a decent income. It's an ecosystem where freelancers can utilize their expertise in transcribing audio and video files, translating documents, and much more. So, how does it work? Well, imagine you have an audio or video file. Maybe it's a podcast episode, a court hearing, or an interview. You need this file transcribed into written text. That's where GoTranscript comes in. They take your file and assign it to one of their talented freelancers who listens to the file, transcribes it, and sends it back to you in a convenient text format. The beauty of GoTranscript lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. It's a straightforward, user-friendly platform that's designed to make the process of transcription as smooth and hassle-free as possible. And the best part? It's all done by real people, not machines. This means you get a level of accuracy and nuance that machine transcription simply can't match. But GoTranscript isn't just for clients who need transcription services. It's also a fantastic platform for freelancers looking to earn an income from their skills. If you're a whiz at typing and have a keen ear for detail, GoTranscript could be the perfect platform for you. It's a place where you can put your skills to good use, work on interesting projects, and earn money while you're at it. Now that you know what GoTranscript is, let's move on to how you can make money from it. Joining GoTranscript is as easy as pie. It's a straightforward process that begins with creating an account on the platform, a step that's as simple as entering your basic details. You'll need to provide your full name, email address, and choose a password. Remember, it's important to use a valid email address because you will need to verify it later on. Once you've created your account, the next step is to prove your skills. This is achieved through a test designed to assess your transcription or captioning abilities. Don't be intimidated by the word test. It's not about pass or fail. Rather, it's about showcasing your abilities. Think of it as your chance to show GoTranscript what you're made of. You'll be given a set of guidelines to follow and a short audio or video clip to transcribe. Make sure you pay attention to the details and follow the guidelines to the letter. After you've submitted your test, it's time to play the waiting game. Your test will be reviewed by the GoTranscript team, and you'll be notified of the results via email. This process can take up to a few days, so patience is key. Remember, this is standard procedure, and it ensures that the platform maintains its high-quality standards. Now let's talk about the cost. You might be wondering how much it's going to set you back to join GoTranscript. Well, I've got some great news for you. It's absolutely free to join. Yes, you heard it right. There are no hidden charges or fees to worry about. You won't be asked to pay for your test review or anything like that. GoTranscript believes in providing opportunities for everyone, and they've made their platform accessible to anyone who has the skills and the drive to succeed. After approval, you're ready to start making money. You'll be a part of a global community of freelancers who are turning their transcription and captioning skills into income. So what are you waiting for? Get started with GoTranscript today. Scene script. Working with GoTranscript is straightforward. Imagine a platform where you get the freedom to choose your own assignments. Yes, you heard it right. At GoTranscript, you are the boss of your own time and work. Once you're all set up, you can dive into the pool of transcription jobs available on the platform. With a variety of topics and lengths, you can pick and choose assignments that suit your interests and schedule. It's all about flexibility and freedom. Now, let's talk about the transcription process. You will be given an audio or video file to transcribe. Your job is to listen carefully and convert the spoken words into written text. Sounds simple, right? But remember, attention to detail is key. You need to accurately capture every word, every pause, every emotion. It's not just about typing what you hear, but understanding the context, the tone, the nuances. What if you come across a word or phrase you can't quite catch? Don't worry. GoTranscript provides a supportive community where you can seek help and share insights. You're never alone in this journey. Once you've completed your transcription, it's time to submit your work. But before you hit that submit button, make sure to proofread your work. A second or even third read-through can help you spot errors and improve the overall quality of your transcription. Now let's talk about something crucial: deadlines. In the world of transcription, deadlines are sacrosanct. Meeting deadlines not only shows your commitment and professionalism, but it also ensures a smooth workflow for everyone involved. So, make sure you deliver your work on time, every time. Quality, of course, is equally important. High-quality work can lead to better ratings, more assignments, and of course, higher pay. So, strive for excellence in every piece of work you submit. Remember, your work is a reflection of you. And the best part? Once you submit quality work on time, you get paid. Yes, your effort translates into earnings. So go ahead, dive in, and start your transcription journey with GoTranscript. Earning from GoTranscript is transparent and fair. In this world of digital opportunities, GoTranscript offers a straightforward and honest way to make money. Let's delve into the details of how you can earn from this platform. The first thing to note is the payment rates. Unlike many other platforms, GoTranscript has a clear, set payment rate. For every minute of transcription, you can earn up to 60 cents. Yes, you heard it right. 60 cents per minute of transcription. The more you transcribe, the more you earn. It's as simple as that. Now you might be wondering how and when you get paid. Well, the process is pretty straightforward. Every Friday, GoTranscript sends out payments to its transcribers. And the best part? There's no minimum amount to cash out. Whether you've earned $10 or $1,000, you'll receive your earnings in full. As for the mode of payment, GoTranscript uses two of the most popular and reliable online payment systems, PayPal and Payoneer. All you need is an account with either of these platforms and you're good to go. No complicated banking procedures or unnecessary waiting periods. But here's the clincher. There's no cap to how much you can earn with GoTranscript. Whether you want to make this your side hustle or your main source of income, the platform gives you the freedom to decide. The more tasks you take on, the more money you can make. It's all in your hands. So whether you're a seasoned professional or someone just starting out in the world of transcription, GoTranscript provides a fair, transparent, and lucrative platform for you to earn money. And remember, every task you complete not only adds to your wallet but also hones your skills and expands your knowledge. With GoTranscript, your earning potential is limitless. So, let's quickly sum up what we've learned today. We've explored the world of GoTranscript, a platform that allows you to earn money online through transcription work. It's easy to join. Simply sign up, take a test, and you're in. Once you're a part of the GoTranscript community, you'll find that the work process is straightforward. You listen, you type, and you earn. We've also learned that GoTranscript offers fair compensation for your efforts. They recognize the time and effort you put into each transcription and reward you accordingly. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of GoTranscript is its limitless earning potential. The more you work, the more you earn. It's that simple. In essence, GoTranscript provides a wonderful opportunity to turn your skills into a steady income stream. It's accessible, it's fair, and it's profitable. With GoTranscript, you can turn your transcription skills into a steady income stream, so why not give it a try?